All right. Welcome back to DFinance. Let me walk you through how you can multiply your $100 into thousands of dollars that can help you have financial freedom. Now, have you ever stared at a $100 bill and wondered, how do I turn this into $10,000, $100,000, maybe more? You're not alone. And no, school didn't teach us this. But don't worry, I've got you. But before we further, please click the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Today, we're breaking down how beginners can start investing with just $100. And yes, I'm actually investing $100 into each strategy so you can see it in action. As we go, the risk gets higher, but so does the potential reward. Let's dive in. 1. High-interest savings account. Start simple. This is your emergency fund. Not sexy, but crucial. It's safe, accessible, and keeps you from payday loan nightmares. I use Marcus by Goldman Sachs, 0.7% interest. 2. Gold risk. Gold's been money since ancient times. It protects against inflation, but don't expect wild growth. Use apps like Robinhood, US, or Trading 212, UK, to avoid buying overpriced jewelry. 3. Index funds, risk level 3-10. Want passive wealth? This is the GOAT. Invest in an S&P 500 fund and let compound interest work its magic. Warren Buffett bets on this, and you should too. Use a Roth IRA, US, or ISA, UK, to grow tax-free. 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Risk level 3-10. Own a slice of real estate without buying property. You get rental income like a landlord, without fixing toilets. REITs like Vanguard's VGSLX can deliver 10 to 12% returns. 5. Buy and sell items, risk level 4-10. Find bargains. Flip them. I bought a used model airplane engine for $100 and resold it for profit. Great if you're into niche hobbies like golf gear, sneakers, or Pokemon cards. 6. Individual stocks, risk level 6.5-10. More risk, more reward. Do research or throw a dart, literally. I landed on Samsung using a dartboard. Stock picking is volatile, but sometimes fortune favors the bold. 7. Crypto, Bitcoin, risk level 9-10. $100 in Bitcoin in 2015 for $5,000 today. But beware, timing is everything. It's like digital gold with roller coaster vibes. Only invest what you're okay losing. I used Coinbase. 8. The lottery. Risk level 10-10. Yep, I bought $100 worth of scratch cards. Want the result? Spoiler, I lost most of it. The odds are worse than winning an Oscar. It's entertainment, not investment. Final word. From savings to stocks, crypto to collectibles, there's a way for everyone to start building wealth with just $100. The key is start small, learn as you go, and grow your confidence and your wallet. Like, subscribe, and let me know. How would you invest $100? Let's grow together.